Good morning! Good morning, guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today is a big day. It's a special day today kasi Aiden is finally going to take his entrance exam para sa school. So, fingers crossed. Hopefully, everything goes well. Hopefully, good mood siya kahit nakulang yung tulog niya. Kasi nakulang ang tulog niya. Nagising siya ng 3 in the morning and hindi na siya nakatulog ulit. And we went to bed last night ng oras ba? Parang 9:30 ata siya nakatulog kagabi. So, medyo alanganin. Anyway, we are heading now sa school and we're gonna take you guys with us. Ayun, I've discussed it with him na. At ang request niya kagabi, natutuwa ako kagabi kasi alam mo siguro kaya din siya hindi nakatulog. Or nagising na maaga dahil sa pag-uusap namin kagabi. Parang kay mama. Saka na-excite. Itong, di ba gabi, nanonood kami ng Big Bang. Tapos, out of nowhere, pinastop niya sa akin, Mami, can you talk to Aiden? Sabi ko, yeah, about what? About school tomorrow. Tapos, in-explain ko, okay, tomorrow, ganito, we'll wake up at 6 o'clock, ganyan, we're gonna shower, we're gonna bath, we're gonna eat breakfast, ganyan. Explain ko, sakay tayo ng car, punta tayo ng school ni Lily, ganyan. Explain ko lahat, tapos punta ka sa loob ng school, and then you're gonna go inside the classroom with teacher, sabi niya, and AA is gonna be sad. Sabi ko, no, hindi ka pwede maging sad. Sabi ko, ganun, kasi kapag hinayaan mo siya na magsasad siya, talagang magsasad siya bukas. Pero pag diniscuss mo sa kanya na hindi pa pwedeng magsad kasi pag umiyak siya doon, baka hindi siya, kasi parang assessment na rin siya di ba? And so, entrance exam siya, but at the same time, parang na rin siya considered as assessment nila sa mga school. So, hindi niya magagawa yung task kapag upset siya, di ba? Kaya sabi ko, no, you can't be sad, ganyan. Sabi ko, bibili tayo tomorrow ng ganito, ng laruan, bibilan kita tomorrow pag na-finish mo yung exam. Pero hindi ka pa pwedeng sad, kailangan happy ka pag umasok ka siya. Tapos doon niya sinabi na, how about auntie take me to, take me to school tomorrow. Ganun siya. Kaya tataan ako, uy, Sassy, narinig mo ba yun? Oo, Sassy, atid po daw siya bukas. Kasi siguro, naiisip niya rin na mas naiiyak siya kapag ako'y nag-atid sa kanya. Di ba ganun nga siya? Pag ako nag-atid sa kanya, umiiyak. Kapag hindi, pag ikaw, wala.
At saka alam niya siguro nandun lang si Ate. Kaya siguro maaga siya nagising, kakaisip
niya. Pero natutuwa ako sa kanya kasi gusto niya i-explain ko sa kanya. So, can you talk to Aiden about that? Usually ako yung nagsasabi, talk to mommy. What are you? Tapos tatanungin ko siya, diba? Kaya for him to ask me, nakausapin ko siya. Parang, what's a big thing. Good job, AA. Nervous talaga ako. Hindi ka nervous.
Konti.
Ako ba mag-e-exam? Pero si AA naman actually, kaya niya naman yung mga buti na na-search natin yung i-cover nung test, nung exam. Kaya na-practice natin siya ng very, very light sa bahay. Pag-hold ng pen, mga ganyan, diba? Pag-hold ng pencil, parang i-explain to him yung what's the same and what's the meaning ng same and different. Parang gano'n. Because of that, medyo na-practice naman siya. Pero kung hindi, siguro, talagang yung kaba ko talaga, ng exam. Which is, luckily talaga, yung mga task na nasa entrance exam nila, na i-cover ng entrance exam, alam na ni Aiden. Numbers, I don't have to tell him about the numbers. I don't have to explain to him about the colors, the shapes. Kaya naman niya, parang pin-practice na lang talaga namin sa bahay how to hold yung pencil na naka-grasp. Pero napapansin mo, babe, ang galing kasi si Aiden, alam niyang i-hold yung pen, yung lapis kapag ganyan. Tapos diba nakaganon. Pero pag yung binigay mo sa kanya yung marker, nalilito pa siya, napapaganon pa siya. Napapansin mo, babe?
Oo.
Pag yun yung hawak niya, ganun siya magkawak.
Pero pag
pag yung pencil, kaya niya ganyan. Ano nga ako kasi ginagawa niya na yung ganun eh. Yun nga talaga practice talaga lang yung kailangan. Kaya lang na kasi pag nagganon siya, ang layo ng kamay niya dun sa dulo ng pencil. And then, isasabay pala natin, pag nag-exam si Aiden ngayon, is bibili tayo ng notebooks for Lily. Kasi wala pang notebook si Lily. Dati, Pinilan ko siya ng notebook sa National Bookstore sa mall. Tapos, ngayon, tatry ko bumili sa Lasal mismo. Sa school mismo. And see kung maganda. Kasi alam ko may ano din yun eh. Ano yun? May design din. Malalaman pa daw yung resulta ng application sa 13 pa.
Tagal. Kala ko same day.
Kumbaga may exam siya, pero hindi mo malalaman yung result ng exam. Kasi kay Lily rin, hindi ko alam yung result ng exam niya eh. Naka-receive na lang kami na yung application has been ganyan. Yun na. Tapos, from June 13, pwede mo na siya i-enroll around that time. Yun pa yung naantay ko pa naman. Kasi sabi ko, kapag once na okay yung test ni Aiden, na-approve siya, isasabi ko na siya nabili ng notebook. Tapos natawa pa si Misty kasi sabi niya sa akin, uy, wala pa silang notebook. Si Aiden wala pang notebook. Ay, wala pa ba?
Anong gamitin nila?
Ay, mga activity pa lang sila, play pa lang daw. Kaya sabi ko, bakit may exam?
Kaya mo.
Bakit may exam? Hindi ba pala magsusulat? Nakakaloka. Hindi pa maganda.
Come on. Hold on to his hand.
Are you excited?
They're going. Oh my gosh.
Naiiyak ako. Yung puso ko. Ayun pala si Misty na sa likod.
For entrance exam. Entrance exam.
Establish eye contact.
So if the rest are ready, you have your permits with you, I would like to request for you to line up here so that we could start. Thank you.
The test will be first out there, and then just wait here for his until he finishes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry po. Sure na.
Okay.
I got that on camera. And Aiden's inside already. And then we're just gonna wait here with Ate Lily. Yay! Where's mommy? Ay! Whew!
Hi guys! We are done!
We are going to the mall.
Yes, Baba, we're going to the mall. Ayan, nagpangako ko sa kanya kagabi na magpupunta kami ng mall once na matapos siya sa kanyang entrance exam. But anyway, I am so happy kasi kanina nag-worry ako. Nakalagay kasi sa permit na yung result ng application malalaman by June 13. Eh ano pala ngayon mga May, 26 ng May. Sabi ko sa proctor, uy, tagal naman po, paano po kung hindi siya makapasa? Sabi kong ganon. Medyo kinabahan ako kasi si Aiden lang pala mag-isa sa entrance exam. Eh yung kay Lily before, may mga kasabay siya, parang 6 ata sila. May mga ganon eh, mga kasabay. Parang first time kong nakita na entrance exam, mag-isa lang siya. Kaya sabi nga ni Misty, baka kasi si Aiden lang nag-apply. Baka yung mga kabatch ni Aiden, tapos na, or baka konti lang nga sila. So, si Aiden humabol lang, diba? Sabi ko siguro nga. Pero kinakabahan ako kasi nga, siya lang mag-isa. Eh, iniisip ko kasi pag marami sila, baka hindi naman siya masyadong mapansin. Alam mo yun? Eh, pag siya lang mag-isa, tututukan talaga siya. Pero thank God talaga, it went well. Sabi ng proctor, malalaman daw yung results sa 13 pa. So, paano naman po yung paano bumagsak siya, tapos di namin alam, paano naman siya i-enroll sa ibang school? Hahanap kami ng bagong school. Sabi niya, well, based naman po sa exam niya today, nakakasagot naman po siya sa mga tanong, ganito. So, it went well naman po. That's a positive feedback, meaning it went well. So, alam mo yun, kasi kung hindi, pwede niya naman sabihin sa amin na, ano po ganito magdadahilan, di ba? But no, he said na it went well. So, talagang, I'm so happy, so thankful, kasi nga, then I don't have to look for another school for him. And then I got an email from the school na nire-request nilang ipadala kung kulang na requirements ni Aiden. So, I'll just, when we get, we're gonna go to the mall muna. Bilhin natin yung pinangako kay Aiden na animal toys. Tapos, I'll sit down, send the parang copies of yung requirements na nire-request ng school. I'll send it to them. And then, gugora na kami. We might have to go and get football boots for Lily and Margot kasi they're going to be playing football this Wednesday. So this is gonna be their first training para sa football. Excited yung dalawa, si Margot at si Lily. Hello everyone, we are home finally. Ayan, parang medyo malinaw na sa paningin ko yung kilay ko. Medyo ano lang siya dito, may uka. Kasi ano yan siya, hindi pa tumutubo yung natanggal na ano to, yung ibang eyebrows na nabunot before. So anyway, I have a really bad headache. Sobrang inaantok ako, but si auntie kasi nila nagnanap. So hindi ko naman pwedeng sabayan ng nap din yung tita nila kasi yung mga bagets ko dito walang kasama. So I just have to fight it. Maaga na lang ako matutulog tonight. So yun. I'm watching them through the sliding doors. Aiden nagla-line up ng animals niya. Yan. Kasi meron siyang bagong animals. We got him new toys na animals. It's only parang $299. Kasi nga, he did so well sa kanyang entrance exam. Ayan, kita niyo dumidipi ng sliding door ko because of them din. Meanwhile, I'm watching videos of Karen Davila. When things are going parang overwhelming para sa akin na mom ni Aiden, of a child who is in the spectrum, pag na-overwhelm ako, I just watch moms sa YouTube that are on the same situation, same boat. Luckily, there are videos sa YouTube na posted before finding out about Aiden's autism kasi medyo na-prepare ko yung sarili ko, and also I get to learn some things na natutunan nila along the way while I didn't have to wait until I learned them kasi nga it's on YouTube na. Sobrang thankful ako kasi it's there. So, although I'm not doing yung exact things that they're doing as a parent na nasa spectrum, kasi it's all different, guys. Iba-iba tayo. Iba-iba yung, that's why it's called spectrum, kasi it's big, parang variety, kumbaga, ng autism. I wanted to hear their stories. I wanted to learn how they navigate it. And although there are things that I navigate differently with me and Aiden, you know, our family navigate differently, and I want to learn some things on my own. It's nice to hear and to know yung mga bagay-bagay sa life. We want to try a school like Lily's school so that we know where Aiden will thrive, you know, and we'll never know until we try. And if this does not work, then we can adjust sa need ni Aiden. So, I don't know. Bakit ba ako nag-explain na? But anyway, I'm just watching some videos. Another mommies that I watch on YouTube then is si Ann Klutz. She also has a child on the spectrum. She had some videos that I watched when I felt so down. Minsan kasi meron pa rin, meron ka pa rin nafe-feel na konting pait o konting pain on accepting, you know, we fully accept na naman yung situation ni Aiden. But there are things that could happen or situation that we find ourselves in na ma-hurt ka, you know, around other people, and you would still cry. So may moments pa rin ako ganun. When that happens, I just go and watch her videos, you know, how she navigated yung life nila with due. So, para sa mga moms na nag-share na kanilang journey, thank you, Miss Ann Klutz, Miss Karen Davila, kasi it's such a big help para sa parents like me. So we don't feel alone because of you guys. But yeah, it's a big step. Today is a big step for us as a family and for Aiden and for Lily. And I'm still nervous na kahit na he did well on his entrance exam. I'm still nervous because I don't know if this is the best for him. But I am so happy because we took a big step and hope that this is good for him and for his sister. But if it's not, then at least we tried, you know. So it's a big step. That's why I'm watching these kinds of videos, because I needed to not feel alone and to convince myself na our decision to putting Aiden to Ate Lily School or applying to Ate Lily School for Aiden also could be good for him, you know. So anyway, tignan niyo naman yung ginawa niya.
They're following me.
They're following you. They're on a queue. Where are they going?
To IKEA.
They're going to IKEA? What are they buying in IKEA?
2 animals.
2 animals.
To eat. There are 200 animals coming along them.
Oh, you're imagining that there are 200 animals on that queue? Wow, that's a lot of animals. Actually, our yard looks like a jungle because of the grass.
Walking to the other way to Mommy.
Yeah.
This woman said that in her school when she's at school they get scissors and then they cut the grass.
Oh, yeah. We did that when I was grade school also. Can you guys go get in the car because I want to get another coffee, please? Would that be fine?
No.
Mommy wants to buy another cup of coffee. Do you want to come with me? Macho man, nakaubad ka pa?
Hippo goes right.
Oh, wow. Ayan, mag-drive-thru lang kami. So, okay lang. I'm sure this is Aiden. Bili lang ako ng coffee and then I'm gonna start making dinner na. Grabe. Napakainit. Anyway, after we went to the school, pumunta kami ng mall to get him his toys. Kumain kami saglit and then umuwi. So, parang we got home around mga 3 hours ago. Inantok talaga ako. I can't sleep talaga. Kaya si Tita Sassy nila nagtanong sa akin kung pwedeng siya yung mag-nap. Sige, go. Ako na muna bahala sa kids. Sabi mo, ikaw kaya mag-nap din. Ako hindi. Kasi parang feeling ko din ako makatulog knowing that she's sleepy. Baka may makatulog din siya. Naku, hindi mo masabi. Although na naman si ate. Pero ayaw ko kasi talaga. Naiiwan silang walang bantay. Bukas, may therapy ba tayo? Walang therapy sa Aiden bukas. Ano bang ganap natin bukas? We need to get Lily football boots kasi siya ay may football training. So happy for her. So excited for her. Are you excited to play football, ate?
Yes.
It'll be training, huh?
What?
Training means it will be a little hard, but it's a practice.
Hard?
A little. So it's only hard when when you're not used to playing it. But every time you play, the more you play, the more you practice, the better, the easier it is for you, and the better you can be. You understand? Kasi yung kanyang football will be susunod na araw. We believe na kailangan niya ng sports in her life para ma-less yung kanyang, you know, para meron siyang something that she can be passionate about, something that she can, you know, she can do to be active, exercise na yun. It also builds character and many more. Sports is great for kids. Do you think football will be your sports?
Yeah.
I'm so happy for her because even if, you know, football is more parang kilala, more known to be a sports for boys, she that girls can play football also, and they can, right? And she believes, you know what, girls can play football also, and I want to join them. So that's amazing to hear, that she don't see it as something that she can't do because she's a girl. So I love that about you, my love. Anyway, meron akong swirl card for Coffee Bean. I just want to check if we can use yung points natin. Hopefully we have enough to get free drinks. Let's try and let's see. Thank you. Look! We only need 5 stamps left. I'm so excited.
Then you'll get a bag.
I'll get a bag. 5 stamps left. I'm so excited. Thank you. Salamat po. What did they want? You want to play football? Just out of nowhere. He's just started saying football. So what? I want to play football. Can AA play football? Huh?
Yes.
How do you play football? What do? You kick the ball, so you know how to play football. I don't know what we're gonna do. Dalawa na estudyante natin, tapos dalawa pa mag-sports. Oh my God! Help! Huh?
Mommy, we're gonna go to football.
Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Mommy, we can play football. Earlier he said, Mommy, don't be afraid.
Aiden, I'm afraid!
No, we have to go football first.
Can I be afraid?
No, we have to go.
Where? You want to play football here? We can't. Just have to ask Auntie to take you. You can bring your ball. Do you have a ball?
We need to bring a ball.
How can you play football?
I thought they have their own.
No, that's for training, love. I'm not joining Aiden to football yet. I'm not sure he's allowed. Maybe he is. Maybe we can get him a trial. But how about Aiden watch Ate Lily play first, and then if Aiden really wants it, we will take him to the next one.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, Papa, you passed your entrance exam and now you're a big boy now. Hmm? Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do, Lils? Oh no.
If I want to go to De La Salle, Aiden wants to go to De La Salle. If I want to play football, Aiden wants to.
I know.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.